a X-pipe for Mark's Nascar truck. So Mark's always giving me these interesting projects here. The heater's on because it's very cold, so sorry if it's a little loud. Alright, this is where most people are going to panic, but it's okay, don't panic. As you can probably see from the time lapse, there's a little bit of a gap. Like I said, this wasn't fit up. It's fit up as good as it can be until you kind of have to massage the rest of it into place. That's how a lot of this stuff goes. So, you know, I have it fit up good on one side. It doesn't quite fit up good on the other side. There's no way to know this until you start tacking it up. So, here's what we're working with. What I'm going to do is I'm going to gently massage this into place, and I'm going to use heat and tacking and some whammering to get us where we need to be. When you get into this situation, don't panic. You got this. It'll be all good. Just watch. I wasn't sure if I ever closed out the video, so I just wanted to show you a quick clips of how the X-pipe came out. And then I also just had these very minor little cups to get welded up. They're pretty much just straight tube with a washer on the end of it that Mark had laser cut. So that's Mark's little side job done and dusted.